How are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. First and foremost, I want to wish you a very happy new year. I wish you happiness, health, and success in this coming new year. I hope you get everything you ever wanted for in this new year. So let's start this new year with a yummy Indian sweet recipes and everyone's favorite peda recipe. It's very easy to make. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to check out other yummy dessert recipes available on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box below. Now let's go and see how to make and enjoy this yummy peda. So let's look at the ingredients we need to make peda. First and foremost ingredient is butter. Next is milk powder, condensed milk, measuring cups, and we are going to use 2 cardamoms, a bowl, microwave safe bowl, and a whisk. First and foremost thing is adding the butter. I'm exactly taking 2 tablespoons of butter. We are going to melt this in the microwave and then I'll show you next what to do. Now that the butter is melted, we are going to add 400 grams can of sweetened condensed milk. Dump everything in. And now we are going to add 1/3 cup of milk powder. This is 1 cup. And let me add 3/4 cup and I'll show you. Now that we added everything, nicely mix it so that there are no lumps. It's nicely mixed in. We'll microwave it on high for 1 minute. Exactly 1 minute. We microwaved it for 1 minute. So now we'll mix again and then again microwave it for 1 more minute. I can already smell the peda. It's like smelling so good in here. Let me microwave it for the 2nd minute and then I'll show you. Look how delicious it turned out. We are going to add now, after the 2nd minute, we are going to add the crushed cardamom and mix it again and microwave it for 1 more minute. It's easier to mix now. Doesn't clump up. Let's microwave it for 1 more minute. 3rd minute microwave is done. So we microwaved it for 3 minutes and now we are almost done. We'll mix it and then microwave it for 30 seconds exactly, and this is the last time. So let me microwave it for 30 seconds and then I'll show you. This is it, 3.5 minutes of microwave and our peda is ready. So let it cool down a little bit more and then we'll make our peda. It's cooled down a little bit but not completely, and I'm ready to make my peda. I'm using ghee to grease my hands. Little bit, not too much. You can add nuts to it. I'm not adding because my family doesn't like nuts. So it's really hot. Mix it once. Be very careful guys. It's really hot. It's not supposed to cool down all the way because if it cools down, you have to microwave it again to make the peda, so you have to work with it when it's hot. So rub your hands and take the desired size. I like little bite-sized pieces, just like this. These will harden up after sitting for a few minutes, just like the shop ones. They need to sit for at least half an hour and they will harden up. Look at this. It's not coming right, but they will come right when they cool down. See, now they are perfect. It's so hot, means so hot. Let me make every one of them and then I will show you. So look, my pedas are ready. It will be around 20 to 30 with this measurement. You can make, depending on the size, 30 to 40. So do try them and let me know how they work for you and if your family liked it or not. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share if you like my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.